lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing this 5x5 wig from Luvme Hair. It's their kinky curly neck length 5x5 undetectable lace wig. Alright, so this is what it comes with. It comes with this goodie bag which contains your mirror. It comes with the satin scarf and your edge brush, and it also comes with a wig cap and of course the wig. So that's what comes in the box. So this wig comes with an adjustable elastic band which makes wearing it glueless pretty much very easy. You can go ahead to wear this wig glueless, but I'm going to be installing it for you guys today. I'm just going to be using my spray to install it and have it down, but you can pretty much wear it glueless. So I'm just going ahead to adjust the elastic band to kind of fit my head perfectly. So this is what the wig is looking like right out of the box. I did go ahead to do some plucking just to kind of define that pattern a bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead to take the hair out of the way so we can go ahead to install this unit. You want to hold the hair out of your way. So I'm going to go ahead with my alligator clips and just kind of take that all the way back and clip it. Guys, can we talk about how deep this pattern is? I actually really love how deep it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the wig backwards so I can start with the installation. So now I'm taking my Ebin Wonder lace and then I'm just going ahead to spray that on my skin, which is wrong because first of all, you want to prep the area. I don't know how I forgot that, but I'm just going in with a makeup wipes to kind of clean what I've sprayed. Then I'm going to go in with my alcohol and cotton pad just to prep the area, get rid of any excess oil. If you don't do this, your wig is not going to sit properly. Your lace will start lifting. You want to go ahead and prep the area first before you go in with your spray. So I've gone ahead to spray my Ebin Wonder lace spray, the extreme hold. Then I'm going to go ahead with the blow dryer and just kind of make sure that spray gets tacky. All right, so it just helps with the laying of the wig. Make sure it gets tacky before you go ahead to lay your lace on it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going ahead to kind of drag that wig forward and place it on the lace. All right, if you don't wait for it to be tacky, it's going to be crusty and you don't want that. Nobody wants their lace looking crusty on there. So I'm going to go ahead with my take home and just kind of melt that lace more in onto the spray or onto the adhesive we've placed down. Then I'm going to go in with an elastic band and tie that up to kind of just make sure the lace is sitting perfectly and laying very perfectly well. You can go ahead to still blow dry this, or it's not really necessary, but I just really wanted it to be dried. All right, so I'm just taking it off and this is what is giving already. Guys, just look at that lace. Like it's giving what it should give, if I do say so myself. I love it. I love how it's almost invisible. Like it's literally giving what it should give. I mean, just look at it. Leave my word for it, but just look at it. All right, I really love how this lace is and how thin it is. So I'm just going to go ahead, I've cut that off. I'm going to go ahead to tie that back up. Then I'm going to go ahead with my wax stick, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron to just kind of flatten the wig. We don't want bumpy wigs around here. We don't do bumpy wigs. You want to make sure it's flat and sitting well and perfectly. So this is what the hair is looking like after installation. No styling whatsoever. This is what it's looking like, and I really love this hair texture and how it came out. So one thing for sure is you can go ahead to rock it like this. All right, you can go ahead to rock it wet. I'm going to show you the wet look afterwards, but you can go ahead to rock it like this. and you can go ahead to brush it more out. If you want it to be more fuller and more fluffy, you can go ahead to kind of do that. So if you see me smiling, yes, because my sister was saying it looked so pretty, and I do agree, the hair looked so pretty and it was just doing everything it was meant to do, right? So this is what it looks like if you want it for a more fuller look. You don't want it with the curls defined. You can go ahead to absolutely rock it like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you'll be rocking it like this or if you'll be rocking it wet. But I do love it like this, and I do think sometimes I'm going to go ahead to rock it like this. Alright, so for making our curls more defined, all you have to do is just spray water and maybe a bit of conditioner in your water also. Just go ahead and spray it, and you can see what this wig is giving and how those curls just bounce back. I love it. I love when you just spray it and the curls just come up right immediately. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. You can see it on the screen and you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going ahead with my spray bottle, which has a bit of, I think, anti-Jackie's conditioner, deep conditioner. That's just what is in the bottle, the water and the deep conditioner only. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure to saturate the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and take off the elastic band once again. And the reason I even put on this elastic band is because while styling, you might want to go back in with your elastic band. So in case you pull on the lace, it's not going to end up lifting your lace. All right. So that's why I had the elastic band put on. So this is what the hair is giving after we're done. This is what is giving. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if this is a unit you love and what you love about it. Let me know down below in the comment section. If you want more details about this wig, you can go ahead and check the description box. I'm going to leave in every details you need in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, guys. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.